Welcome back to another quick 8482 tutorial. This is an awesome fix that I wish that I had. That's why I'm recording this video. We shoot a lot of content with an iPhone. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro have this issue a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and drag that footage into my timeline. And as you can see on the preview menu, I can see it well, looks good. I have my ocean in the background, the sky, we're doing some exercise, awesome. As soon as I bring it into my timeline, you can see that it completely changes. It changes the color, it looks more contrasted, saturation, exposure is blown out in the background. I'm going to scale this back just a little bit. And so this is a really frustrating thing that happens when recording on the iPhone that a lot of people struggle with. So what we want to do is we want to actually highlight the clip in the bin. We want to right click, select modify, and click on interpret footage. And under color management, what's actually happening is the iPhone's adding a gamma curve to the footage, and Adobe Premiere Pro interprets that and replaces it with a separate gamma curve. So that's what's changing the footage. Really stupid and frustrating if you ask me. From Apple's standpoint. So what we want to do is we want to highlight and change this from use media color space from file, and we want to change the color space to rec.709. All right, and we're going to press OK, and then look what happened. As you can see, it restored the whole ocean, the background, everything, and now we can continue editing this video. That should match how we shot it and what it looks like off the iPhone. So hopefully that helps, saves you guys a headache and some time. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We record all kinds of quick fixes, tutorials that will help you create an impact online. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks.